And John now is going to tell us about his experience in the towns in the north of Scotland.
And Britain.
John, could you tell us what when you left Ireland, when you left school and
Oh, left school, yes, left school. And as early as I could, I went across to Paisley.
what age were you then, John?
I was 17. I was 17. Stayed in Paisley. Worked in Bridge a year for 11 pence an hour. That was the money. Not 5 days a week.
And what are you doing there, John?
Oh, just an hour, cover an navvy just. Just an navvy on a pipe track, wasn't it? Yeah.
And then we move on forward then to your experience in the town.
We'll wait until all the towns from the north of Scotland. I think
What were the towns for, John? What it was coal?
Oh, no, hydroelectric.
Oh, yeah.
We're giving power to the whole north and to the cities and the towns
Yeah.
and all that. And you stayed in a big camp, maybe about 22 beds. You need to be a good sleeper, I suppose. Some man snoring beside you. That man doesn't understand what snoring is funny. Well,
And what kind of conditions had you in the towns, John? Was it
we worked well while our jobs on that.
well, it was just
Yes.
well,
You were left by a electric.
yeah.
Plenty of water that was sweat and smoke,
Yeah.
You wouldn't see a person beside you.
Diesel rig.
Diesel rig, all diesel.
How many men would be there at the place at one time?
It'll be maybe 6 or 7 bowlers and 3 or 4 labourers. When was that?
Camp was there.
That was that, but
And when you bored the rock, what happened to the rock? Who took away the rock from you then? Or
just started to pan it up then with gelatine.
you bored it and blew it.
And blew it out.
And then what happened then?
A mechanic of the
Camp left.
and pulled up there to use something like a dagger or a take till the blood run through that was shut and all that.
And all prevented it.
Outside it went.
There was something known as the ring. I couldn't understand the ring, that they would make so many rings in the day. And what's that?
No, well now that's not rock, you see.
Oh, that's not wrong.
That's not rock.
No.
No.
Yeah. But what is